How to reduce annoying ads on CamScanner. Free and no payment needed. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to reduce or avoid annoying ads while using CamScanner by simply adjusting your phone's settings. Before we start, I want to clarify that this method does not use any illegal tricks. It's a natural way to limit ads using your phone's built-in options. Also, if you have the budget, it's always best to support the developers by purchasing the premium version. But if you're not ready to pay yet, this method is completely free. First, open your phone's notification panel and go to Settings by tapping the gear icon. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and look for Apps or Application Settings. Then tap it. Next, select Manage Apps to see a list of all installed applications on your phone. In the search bar at the top, type CamScanner. Then tap on it to open its settings. Now scroll down until you find Connection Method. Then tap on it. You'll see options like Wi-Fi and mobile data, SIM1 and SIM2. Simply uncheck all of them to disable internet access for CamScanner. After that, tap OK to save the settings. That's it. Now, when you use CamScanner, it won't load online ads since it's no longer connected to the internet. However, remember that some online features may not work while the connection is disabled. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nelod's TV for more helpful content. See you in the next video.